Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on bell icon to receive new videos through notification. In this video, you will find the top programming language to develop mobile apps. Mobile devices are the fastest growing enterprise platform in IT. Mobile app development industry has gained huge popularity as more and more people are opting for apps to expand their business on a worldwide level. You probably use a range of different apps in your everyday life. Enterprise IT shops and software publishers alike are moving every possible application to run on tablets, smartphones, and even smartwatches. Behind that set of decisions, though, is a huge question: how do you make it happen? There are a number of data sources for programming language statistics, including code repositories, question and answer discussions, job advertisements, social media mentions, tutorial page visits, learning video views, developer surveys, and more. So let's take a look at the most popular mobile app development language options available today. The first one is Java programming. Java is an object-oriented programming language developed at Sun Microsystem. It was now owned along with the rest of Sun Microsystem by Oracle. Java is compiled language that can be run in different ways, either in browser window or in virtual machine that doesn't require a browser. It is a platform independent language. If you are looking at Android mobile app development as your primary platform, you are almost certainly going to look at Java. Possibly, you won't be doing Java first development if iOS is your main target. And if you want to develop a common code base that runs across many different platforms, then Java should certainly be on your list finalist. The next one is Objective-C. While most of the world was developing software using C++, Apple went with Objective-C as its primary programming language. Like C++, Objective-C is a C language superset. It has a lot of functions which mainly deal with graphics, display functions, and input and output device. Objective-C was part of the Apple development framework until it was replaced by Apple's new language Swift. The next one is C Sharp. C Sharp is an object-oriented programming language like Java. It is an expansion of C that directly addresses many of the unique features of the environment. It is the default programming language for Windows-based apps. With Windows Phone poised to make a comeback with Windows 10 Mobile and the Windows App Store still desperately in need of well-made apps, learning C Sharp could give you a leg up in mobile app development for the Windows marketplace. C Sharp opens a lot of windows. The next one is Kotlin. Kotlin is a relatively recent programming language that works on the Java virtual machine. It, it is developed mainly by the JetBrains programmers, and since Google I/O 2007, Kotlin has been official programming language of the Android application. It has a lot of advantages. The final one in my list was C++. When you need to get down and dirty for mobile app development on platforms like Android and Windows, then C++ can be the answer to your object-oriented dreams. At this point, C++ has been used to develop apps for virtually every purpose on pretty much every platform that exists. It is not trendy or ultra modern. It has been around much longer than smartphones, but for low level programming, it's still the go to language on platforms that are not fruit themed. C++ is the best suited for low level programming. It works extremely fast and is now used to develop high performance applications and games. It helps power major software such as Adobe and Mozilla. So that's all about some of the major programming languages for making mobile app development. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.